Actually, I have been working in the field of machine learning and natural language processing since the year perhaps 2000, right? That is the time when I was doing my master's in IIT Bombay. And in fact, that was the term, I mean, that was the time when even the term data science was not there. I mean, leave aside the current popularity it has. And my exposure to this field was through my master's project during that time, where I worked on something called topic-based personalization for web browsing. I mean, the exposure was kind of incidental, but it was pretty much love at first sight, and which kind of grew over the years. And yeah, I mean, and then the journey started. And then over the next close to 20 years now, I worked as a researcher, then as a research manager, and a leader in organizations such as IBM Research, Xerox Labs, American Express, and so on. And in all these years, my primary focus has been on developing applied research products, right? So it's not only doing product engineering for products or only doing research, but it's a confluence of that. And these were always targeted towards solving certain business problems, and which came from various domains such as customer service, education, crowdsourcing, finance, etc. And of course, over the last few months, I have been getting into deep data science applications in e-commerce, as I am in Flipkart these days. And again, I mean, where I see the applicability and opportunity of data science is boundless.